Well, welcome again to my channel. My name is Kathy, and today's video is going to be all about the ColourPop Blue Moon Shadow Palette and some additional items that complement it. If this is a video for you, please stick around. If you're new to my channel, great to have you. Make sure to hit the subscribe button below to make sure that you get notified of future videos, and don't forget the big thumbs up. So let's talk about this ColourPop Blue Moon eyeshadow palette. I just want to let you know that some of the eye products at ColourPop do have that eye warning where you're not supposed to put any of the product near your eye, and it's not intended to. This palette does not have that warning. It is cruelty free, and inside we have, this is, believe it or not, look at this. Wow, if you're a blue girl, this is for you. Let me see if I can get it in there. Look at those colors. Really beautiful. And this palette on the ColourPop website is $12. I did get a set of for a mascara and a gel liner, which they don't have anymore, so I'm going to be reviewing them separately. So they're giving us separate prices. So let's go ahead and talk about the colors right here. And I'm wearing those colors here, so just kind of let you know. So the first up we have here is Lumine, which is a metallic iridescent icy blue. Then we have Da BD, which is a matte lapis blue. And then we have right here Starry Eyed. Look at that. Really pretty. It is a matte baby blue. Then we have Starry Eyed. Ooh, look at that. This is a matte sky blue. And then we have Billie Jean. Ooh, look at this. It's a metallic periwinkle. Really pretty. Then we have, next up is Tide Pool, which is a metallic cerulean. Okay, we'll go with that. And then we have Mad About You. This is a metallic sapphire. Really pretty. Then we have here Fine China, and it is a matte vibrant cobalt blue. And then the last one here is a matte navy. So let's do some swatches of these. So let's start off with the first one, which is Lumine, which is the metallic. Really pretty. And then we have Da DD, close enough. And then we have right here Moonlit. Really pretty. Look at those. And then next row we have Starry Eyed, Billie Jean, and Tide Pool. Look at these blues. Wow. Kind of amazing, aren't they? And then let's go to the last row, which has Mad About You. I'll put it over here. Look at that. Then we have Fine China. Ooh, look at that beautiful color. You know, that vibrant cobalt. Ooh, look at that. And then we have here the matte navy. Let's put it right there. So some really nice colors. Let me tell you, if you're a blue girl, this is for you. And I like this palette. I was drawn to it because these colors do really beautifully, complement my coloring, and especially my blue eyes. So, you know, I think this is a big keeper. I don't think it's a standalone, palette, but it has the elements that you can add into it and reach and do those some really credible colors on this. So also to complement this this palette, I also got the mascara, which I have here from ColourPop, the volumizing mascara. And this is vegan and cruelty free, and it's $8. And let me show you what it is. And this is in the color Sky Blue. Really nice packaging. Look at that. And then look at this color. Wow. I put this on the bottom of my lashes to just kind of bring that little color, so I don't have, that dark, really dark, heavy look on my eyes, but it's a nice complement to it. And I do have the black mascara on my top eyelashes, just to make sure that they do show, because I'm so blonde. And the next step I got to complement this was the cream gel liner. Look at that back packaging. Isn't that cute as a bub? And this is in the color, let's see what I got it in, Prance, which is a nice, really beautiful coloration. Look at that. And let me put it on the back of my head. It goes on very creamy and just glides. Look at that coloration. And I have that under my eye. So let me tell you, it's a really good complimentary, group from ColourPop. I think this is, something that if blue calls to you, this is for you. Well, I hope you liked this video and you find it informational, and make sure to do a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, and see you in the next video. Have a great one.